Beijing Rovi. Beijing Rovi Narnen. Beijing Rovi and Jose. Rovi and Jose. Beijing Coach Mikey. Okay, let's start our next game. Team Magalia versus St. Anthony Bulls. Pasok for 6. Okay, first serve from Team Magalia. Kien. Serve. Point for Team Magalia. nakuha ni Garay. Sinet, Idover, nakuha. Inangat ni number 12. Idover ni 5, nakuha ni Jacob. Inangat ni Ken, pinalo ni Romy. Check ball. Score is now 2-0 in favor of Team Baghelia. Service pa rin again. Good serve, nakuha ni number 12. Sinet ni Ken, pumataw si number 12. Nakuha ni Ken. Sinet ni Jacob, pumalo si Romy. Inside. Score is now 3-0. Lamang pa rin ang Team Baghelia. Ken still on the serve. Good serve, nakuha yung bola. Sinet, pumalo sa number 12. Point for St. Anthony. Score is now 3-1. Good serve in under 6, nakuha ni Seth. Sinet, pumataw si Romy. So not over. Score is now 3-2. Lamang pa rin ang sa Team Baghelia. Number 6 still on the serve. Serve zero. Score is now 4-2. Now serving Jacob. Serve na ko yung bola. Sinet, pumalo si number 12. Kaso not over. Score is now 5-2. Still in favor of Team Baghelia. Jacob still on the serve. Nakuha yung bola. Sinet ni number 5. Pumataw si number 12. Point for St. Anthony. Score is now 5-3. Now on the service line, jersey number 7. Serve, nakuha ni Romy. Sinet ni Jacob, pumalo si Romy. Inside. Score is now 6-3, still in favor of Team Baghelia. Now on the service line, Garay. That's a service ace. Score is now 7-3. Nakuha yung bola. Binangat ni number 13. Binalik ni number 5. Nakuha ni Jose. Sinet ni Jacob. Idover. Nakuha. Binangat ni Ken. Pinalo ni Romy. Nakuha. Binalik pa rin. Buhay pa. Sinet ni Jacob. Pumalo si Jose. Buhay pa. Uy! Patapilo. Ayun lang. Scores 8-3. In favor pa rin ng Team Baghelia. Service pa rin ni Garay. Nice serve. Nakuha ng number 12. Score is 9-3. Still in favor of Team Baghelia. Timeout, St. Anthony. Score is 9-3. Get ready, next game, Women's Division, Team Lukban Girls versus Team Elite Girls. Okay, back to the ball game. Still on the service line, Garay scores 9-3. Nice serve, nakuha yung pokla. Sinet, pumalo si number 12. Inside. Score is now 9-4. Now on the service line, jersey number 12, Samana. May serve, nakuha ni Ken, sinet ni Jacob. Pumalo si Romy, nabuhay pa rin. Inangat ni number 6, number ni number 2, nakuha ni Drake. Sinet ni Jacob, pumalo si Sam. Inside. Score is now 10-4. Now serving, Romy. Nice serve, nakuha yung bola. In-over, nakuha rin ni Romy. Sinet ni Jacob, pumalo si Kian, so not over. Score is now 10-5. Bumahabol ang St. Anthony. Now on the service line, jersey number 5. Ball. Point for St. Anthony. Score is now 10-6. Number 5 still serving. Nice serve. Nakuha ni Ken. Inangat. Pumalo si Ken. Check ball. Point for Team Baghelia. Score is now 11-6. Substitution. Jello in, Jose out. Andre in, Daniel out. Now serving, Jello. Nice serve, nakuha yung bola. Sinet ni number 5, pumalo si number 2. Buhay pa rin ni Drake. I-over ni Jacob. Point for Team Baghelia. Score is now 12-6. Nice serve by Jello, nakuha yung bola. Sinet number 5, pumalo. Nakuha ni Ruby. Buhay pa rin. Pumataw si Ken. Point for Team Baghelia. Score is now 13-6. Jello still on the service line. Inside. Score is now 14-6. Substitution. Jello still serving. Outside. Score is now 14-7. Now serving from St. Anthony, jersey number 13. Ay, wait lang. Wait lang sa pito ni Coach. Nice serve, nakuha yung bola. Sila ni Jacob, pumalo si Ken. Point for Team Baghelia. Score is now 15-7. Now on the service line, Daniel. Nice serve, nakuha yung number 12. Sinunod yung number 5, pumalo si number 2. Isabella by Ian. Warning 7. Still on the serve, Daniel. Sinet number 5, in-over, nakuha ni Rocky. Inangat ni Daniel, in-over lang din, nakuha ni number 12. Sinet number 5, in-over number 6, ay, Susanet. Last 7. Now serving. Sinet number 5. Pumalis number 7. Kaso not over. And the ball game, Team Bagalia wins. Get ready next game, women's division. Team